Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can turn on two-factor authentication on the Facebook. So without two-factor authentications, no one can open your Facebook ID. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Firstly, you need to update your Facebook applications. So open the Play Store and right here Facebook and update your Facebook applications. So after updating your Facebook applications, click on open options. So here you will see three dot on top right, click on here and then you will see setting and privacy options, click on here and then you will see setting options, click on it and then click on account meta center and here you will see the options of password and security, click on it and here you will see the options of two-factor authentications, click on it. Because I want to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook, that's why I will select Facebook. So right here your password, then click on continue. So add extra security to your account. So it asks you about choose your security method. If you want to receive text message, then click on here. So because I want to receive text message, so I will click on it and then click on next and then I will select the contact number which I have provided. So then click on next. A 6-digit code, so then I will put that code here. So after entering the receiving code, then click on next. So you can see two-factor authentication is on, then click on done options. So in this way you can see that my two-factor authentication is on. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.